How to make email ID. Start by opening the Gmail application on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here, click on the Add Another Account option. Now, choose the platform where you want to set up your account. I'm going to choose Google. You need to verify that it's you by using your device lock. Next, press the Create Account option. In the pop-up menu, select whether the account is for personal use or work or business. After selecting, type in your name and hit the Next button at the bottom. Enter your birthday and gender. Then, type in your username. Remember, you need to make your username as unique as possible. After that, create a strong password that meets the requirements. Finally, in the Privacy and Terms page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the I agree button. This is how you can make email ID.